Hello children, welcome back to the physical science class. Today we are going to discuss the book exercises answer in unit 15 chemistry in everyday life. Come, let's discuss the book exercises. Textbook exercises. Page number 178. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Question 1. The chemical mixed with LPG that helps in the detection of its leakages dash. A. Methanol. B. Ethanol. C. Camphor. D. Mercaptan. Answer option D. Mercaptan. Mercaptan is mixed with LPG to help in reduction of any leakage of LPG. Question 2. Which is known as syngas? A. Marsh gas. B. Water gas. C. Producer gas. D. Coal gas. Answer option B. Water gas. Water gas is called as syngas or synthesis gas as it is used to synthesize methanol and simple hydrocarbons. Question 3. The unit of calorific value of fuel is dash. A. Kilojoule per mole. B. Kilojoule per gram. C. Kilojoule per kilogram. D. Joule per kilogram. Answer option C. Kilojoule per kilogram. Question 4. Dash is the coal of superior quality. A. Peat. B. Lignite. C. Bituminous. D. Anthracite. Answer option D. Anthracite. Anthracite is the most desirable coal of superior quality due to its high heat content. Anthracite is the highest grade coal. Question 5. The main component of natural gas is dash. A. Methane. B. Ethane. C. Propane. D. Butane. Answer option A. Methane. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Question 1. Producer gas is a mixture of dash. Answer carbon monoxide and nitrogen. Question 2. Dash is known as marsh gas. Answer methane. Question 3. The term petroleum means dash. Answer rock oil. The term petroleum is derived from the Latin words petra meaning rock and oleum meaning oil. Question 4. Heating coal in the absence of air is called dash. Answer destructive distillation. Question 5. An example for fossil fuel is dash. Answer coal. Third Roman letter, match the following. Question 1. Octane rating. Answer petrol. Question 2. Cetane rating. Answer diesel. Question 3. Simplest hydrocarbon. Answer methane. Question 4. Peat. Answer first stage coal. Question 5. Lignite. Answer brown in color. Fourth Roman letter, answer briefly. Question 1. What do you mean by catenation? Answer is in page number 178. The property of carbon atoms to form bonds with itself, resulting in a single large structure or chain, is called catenation. Question 2. Mention the advantages of natural gas. Answer is in page number 169. Advantages of natural gas. It produces lot of heat as it is easily burnt. It does not leave any residue. It burns without smoke and so causes no pollution. This can be easily supplied through pipes. It can be directly used as fuel in homes and industries. Question 3. Expand CNG. List out its uses. Answer is in page number 169. CNG, compressed natural gas. It is the cheapest and cleanest fuel. Vehicles using this gas produce less carbon dioxide and hydrocarbon emission. It is less expensive than petrol and diesel. Question 4. Identify the gas known as syngas. Why is it called so? Answer is in page number 170. Water gas. Water gas is also called as syngas or synthesis gas as it is used to synthesize methanol and simple hydrocarbons. It is used as an industrial fuel also. Question 5. Anthracite is known as the highest grade coal. Give reason. Answer is in page number 172. Anthracite. It is the highest grade coal. It is hard and dark black in color. It has a very light weight and the highest heat content. Anthracite coal is very hard, deep black and shiny. It contains 86 to 97% carbon and has a heating value slightly higher than bituminous coal. It burns longer with more heat and less dust. Question 6. Distinguish between octane number and cetane number. Answer is in page number 176. Difference between octane number and cetane number. Octane number. Octane rating is used for petrol. Cetane number. Cetane rating is used for diesel. Octane number measures the amount of octane present in petrol. Cetane number measures the ignition delay of the fuel in diesel engine. Octane number of petrol can be increased by adding benzene or toluene. Cetane number of diesel can be increased by adding acetone. The fuel with high octane number has low cetane number. The fuel with high cetane number has low octane number. Question 7. Name the places in Tamil Nadu harnessing wind energy from windmills. Answer is in page number 177. Windmills are mostly located at Kayathar, Aralvaimoli, Palladam and Kudimangalam in Tamil Nadu. Question 8. Solar energy is a non-depleting energy. Justify. Answer is in page number 177. Solar energy. Solar energy is the only viable fuel source of non-depleting nature, for sun provides a free and renewable source of energy. It is the renewable type of energy without endangering the environment. It is a potential source to replace the fossil fuel in order to meet the needs of the world. With the advancements in science and technology, solar energy has become more affordable and it can overcome energy crisis. Fifth Roman letter, answer in detail. Question 1. Explain the different types of coal. Answer is in page number 171 and 172. Types of coal. Coal is classified into four main categories based on the amounts of carbon it contains and the heat energy it can produce. They are lignite, subbituminous, bituminous, and anthracite. Lignite. Lignite is a brown colored coal of lowest grade. It has least content of carbon. The carbon content of lignite is 25 to 35 percentage. Lignite contains a high amount of water and makes up almost half of our total coal reserves. It is used for electricity generation. The other uses include generating synthetic natural gas and producing fertilizer products. Subbituminous. When lignite becomes darker and harder over time, subbituminous coal is formed. Subbituminous coal is a black and dull coal. It has higher heating value than lignite and contains 35 to 44 percentage carbon. It is used primarily as fuel for electricity power generation. This coal has lower sulfur content than other types and burns cleaner. Bituminous. With more chemical and physical changes, subbituminous coal is developed into bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is dark and hard. It contains 45 to 86 percentage carbon. It has high heating value. It is used to generate electricity. Other important use of this coal is to provide coke to iron and steel industries. Byproducts of this coal can be converted into different chemicals which are used to make paint, nylon, and many other items. Anthracite. It is the highest grade coal. It is hard and dark black in color. It has a very light weight and the highest heat content. Anthracite coal is very hard, deep black, and shiny. It contains 86 to 97 percentage carbon and has a heating value slightly higher than bituminous coal. It burns longer with more heat and less dust. Detail 2. What is known as destructive distillation? Write about the products obtained from petroleum. Answer is in page number 172 and 175. Coal, when heated in the absence of air, does not burn but produces many byproducts. This process of heating coal in the absence of air is called destructive distillation of coal. Products obtained from petroleum are refinery gas, liquefied petroleum gas, petrol, naphtha, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin waxes and polishes, fuel oil, bitumen or asphalt. Question 3. What are the different types of fuel gases? Answer is in page number 169 and 170. Types of fuel gases. Producer gas. Producer gas is a gaseous mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. It is produced by passing air mixed with steam over red hot coke at a temperature of 1100 degrees Celsius. It is used as an industrial fuel for iron and steel manufacturing. Coal gas. It is a mixture of gases like hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. Heating coal in the absence of air is called destructive distillation. It is used in heating open hearth furnace in the manufacture of steel. It is also used as a reducing agent in certain metallurgical operations. Water gas. It is a gaseous mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. It is made by passing steam over incandescent coke at a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. Carbon plus water at temperature 1000 degrees Celsius produces carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Water gas is also called as syngas or synthesis gas as it is used to synthesize methanol and simple hydrocarbons. It is used as an industrial fuel also. Biogas. Biogas is a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. It is produced by the decomposition of plant and animal waste which form the organic matter. The breaking down of organic matter in anaerobic condition, that is in the absence of oxygen, leads to the formation of biogas. It is an example for renewable source of energy. Children, mark the book exercises answer on your textbook and complete the classwork note. Thank you for watching.